The secret to keeping customer, combining motorbike washing and helmet washing. Here's the truth that nobody talk about. People don't leave your shop just because of price. They leave because you don't solve all their problem. Think about this. When a rider gets their motorbike sparkling clean, but their helmet is still sweaty, dirty, and full of bacteria, guess what? They still feel uncomfortable, and that discomfortable is the reason they don't come back. What if I told you that the secret to keeping customers is not lowering the price, is combining motorbike washing with helmet washing? Let's dive in. In the vehicle washing business, competition is tough. Anyone can open a wash station on a street corner, but not everyone can build customer loyalty. And loyalty is what makes or break your profits. Most bike wash owners only focus on the bike. They invest in equipment, they polish the surface, but they overlook one critical detail: the helmet. Every rider wears one. Every helmet gets dirty, sweaty, and smelly. Yes, 90% of wash business ignore it. This is where you are losing customers without even realizing it. Riders want a complete hygiene experience, not just a shiny bike. That's why Go&Go created the automatic helmet washing machine, a system that's clean, disinfected, and dry helmets in just 10 to 15 minutes. Pair this with your Go&Go automatic motorbike wash, and suddenly you are not just another wash shop. You are a one-stop hygiene center for riders. Let's break it down. Bike wash in 2 to 4 minutes. The motorbike is sparkless, high-pressure nozzles, soft brushes, and automatic foam warranty professional restore every time. Helmet wash. While the bike is being washed, the helmet goes into the machine. It's washed, sanitized with steam to kill bacteria, and dry completely. No more bad smell, no more sticky sweat, and more germ. When the rider leaves, they don't just leave with a clean bike. They leave with a fresh, comfortable helmet. That's not just service, that's customer care on another level. Now imagine that's what this means for your business. Let's say your shop currently charges $2 to $3 for bike wash and helmet washing for just $1 more, and suddenly your ticket size increased by 30 to 40%. Multiply that across hundreds of customers per week, and your revenue skyrockets. But it's not only about money, it's about loyalty. When riders know they can come to your shop and can get both their bike and helmet cleaned in one visit, why would they go anywhere else? You are solving two problems as one: invisible dirt on their bike and visible bacteria inside their helmets. And here is the kicker. Rider talk, they will tell their friend, "Hey, this place not only washes my bike, but also cleans my helmet. It smells fresh like new." That's free marketing you can buy. For investor and entrepreneur, the combination is the gold mine. In countries where motorbike dominate the trades, Vietnam, Indonesia, India, Africa, helmet washing is not just an add-on, it's competitive edge that sets you apart and keeps your shop packed with repeat customers. So here is a secret review. If you want to keep customers, don't just wash their motorbike, but their helmet too. That extra step is the difference between a one-time visitor and a loyal customer who come back again and again. At Go&Go, we don't sell machine, we sell systems that work together to grow your business. The automatic motorbike wash and the automatic helmet wash are designed to complement each other, creating a full circle service that your competitors simply can't match. Click the link below to see this machine in action, watch real rider experience in the difference, and imagine what it look like when your shop becomes the only place in town offering this complete hygiene package. Don't compete on price, compete on values. Give customers more than they expect. That is the real secret to keep them.